Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making easy grilled ham, egg, and cheese sandwiches. And we're going to be using this microwavable bowl to do the eggs from Sistema. Yeah, this is a pretty neat little bowl here. I picked it up quite a while ago and it's still going strong, so I figured I'd show it to you. Alright, let's get started. Okay, to get started, let me open this bowl up and show you. It snaps shut. So, and it's got a little steam vent up top here to release the steam pressure so nothing explodes in there like normal. Okay, so we're going to spritz this with a little bit of oil inside the bowl. And then I like to put maybe 3 ounces of water in, 2-3. Put a little bit of water in there. And now we'll crack our eggs in there. There's 1, 2, okay, so we have 4 eggs in there. Now we just beat them up a little. Make like scrambled eggs here. It's a pretty nice bowl for the microwave. Okay, that's all you have to do. Now, you just snap the lid back on. Just like that. There's all 4 snaps and it's really on there. Make sure your steam vent's open. You can see that. Alright, now we're going to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. And that's all you have to do it. Now all we have to do is get our pan ready and start cooking. Okay, our egg's done in our microwave. Now I want to give you a shot of that when I open it up. See that right there, all that steam that's in there? Very nice. You see that right there? Isn't that nice and fluffy looking? Alright. Okay, it's perfect. Now all we got to do is get our board here. Put it right there. Turn it right upside down. Look at that. Isn't that neat? That's really neat. Now we could slice that any way we want, really. But I'm going to do a little trick here and I'll show you. Yeah, what you want to do is get yourself a little plastic lid, and it's about 1/4 inch thick or so, right there, and you put your egg right in the middle, right? Move your board out of the way. Get yourself something that won't skid on you, maybe a little silicone mat or something, and put it right there, just like that. And then take your long knife and you can slice it just like that, nicely, perfectly. That's beautiful. There you go. And you have a nice little slice. See it? Now you just keep doing that and you'll have nice little slices. Let's see if we can do it again. Alright, there you go. Let's see how many we got here. Well, we got 1 top one and 1 middle one. And there you have it. Look at them. They're really nice. You can use them to build your sandwich with. Really neat like. Alright, let's do that. Okay, you want to set your burner to medium low. Put a bit of oil in the pan. And I'm going to wipe that around a little. Using a paper towel. Yeah, you can put a little more in there if you want. Not much. Okay, Now we'll wait for that to get warmed up, take a couple minutes, and we'll start building our sandwiches. Okay, the pan's just warm, it's okay. And now we're gonna put our bread in. We're gonna try to get 4 sandwiches in this one pan. So I think we can do it. Yeah. It'll be a little tight, but we can make it. Alright, now we can get our egg. Nice piece of egg. Beautiful, still hot. Okay. We can put our egg over here. Put our egg there. And put our egg here. There you go. Now we got 3 eggs going, 4 eggs going now. So we got 4 nice sandwiches coming up. And we can put cheese on each one. This is just American cheese. Now you could use Swiss, any kind of cheese you like, you know. And now we're going to take our ham and put our ham on. Wow, we're making good use of this pan today, aren't we? Yeah. There we go. Okay. That's that. We can get our board out of here. Sprinkle just a little bit of onion on a couple of them, chopped onion. You can put a little bit of onion on this one, let's say, and maybe just a couple pieces here and there. Make it different, a little bit of crunch there. We'll do this one too. I like onion, they're good. Supposed to be good for you too. Anyway, let's do that. And then we can use a little bit of green onion if we want. Just put a little green onion on there. And we can put a little green onion on this one. Maybe we'll put a little on this one or leave it plain. It's up to you. You can do what you want. You can build 4 sandwiches at one time this way, which is pretty easy. It's nice too, quick. You know, you got people to feed or somebody popped in all of a sudden. Yeah, you can make a nice sandwich. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna put just a little salt on each one. And everybody likes pepper one. You know, you can build them your way if you want. But I like pepper. I think salt and pepper and ham, a little bit of salt, you know. And I like garlic, so I'll put a little garlic on these 2. And none on those. Now you can put anything you want on there. But now all we have to do is put our tops on. There you go. Okay. Look at that. We got 4 sandwiches going in there. And we're going to cover that and let that cook maybe 3 minutes until I see the cheese just starting to melt a little bit. Then I know it's about done. We can flip them. Okay, let's give our sandwiches a check here. We'll flip one over here and see how it is. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, we better get another one flip. Whew, wow. Alright, let's see if we can get it down in there a little better. There you go. And we'll flip this one. Tight squeeze here. Alright, not bad. Not bad. Alright, let's give them a minute or two. And then we'll spin them around a couple times. See if we can get them more evenly toasted. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Maybe we can, because it seems like the inside of the burner there, maybe we can spin them around this way. What do you think? That might work. Let's spin it around this way. Let's try that. Tight squeeze. Okay. Let's let that go a minute. Alright, let's see how we're doing here. Let's take this one and we'll flip it right over. Oh yeah, that's better. Now what was that? Okay, we got to spin it. Whew, hot. Alright. Now we got to flip this one over. Just like that. Little piece of crust there. Anyway, let's flip this one over. Man, they're getting warmer. Alright, let's flip this one over. Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay, now let's let everything get nice and toasty. Okay, I think it's time to get our sandwiches out of there. Alright, let's get that guy out of there. And there's one. There's two. There's three, and here's the fourth one. Alright. Boy, they look good, don't they? Look at them. Yeah, they're good. You know, you got company over real quick, you can make 4 of them like nothing. They're pretty quick and easy to do. And you can talk to them while you're doing it. So that makes sense. Okay. Now all we have to do is get into them. Okay, let's take a look at one of them. Grilled ham, egg, and cheese. And there you have it right there. You see that in there? All that cheese and all that good stuff? Alright, we're going to have to cut one of them in half. Let's see if we can do that. We'll cut him right in half. Alright. And there you have him. Grilled egg, ham, and cheese. See the ham? Alright, let's get a bite. Hey, he's done perfectly. Beautiful. Alright. Well, we did it again, fellas. I can taste the onion. Well, that's good. Alright, let me put this up here where you can see it better. There you go. There we have it. Grilled ham, egg, and cheese sandwiches. 4 of them all at one time. In our cast iron skillet. Yep. You can't beat a cast iron skillet for even heat, you know? I like it. You know something though? I know I just poured a soda. I can't believe it. I must have walked somewhere because it's going. Now that sounds normal.